Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate RealtyTrac reports step by step clearly. To activate RealtyTrac reports, begin by visiting the RealtyTrac website. Locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign In button to access the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Type in your password in the password field. Click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Reports section in the menu. Click on Reports to access the reporting options. You will find various report types available for activation. Select the report you wish to activate. Read through the report description to ensure it meets your needs. Click on the Activate button next to your chosen report. If prompted, agree to the terms and conditions. You may need to enter payment details if the report requires a fee. After entering the necessary information, click Submit. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the report has been successfully activated. Once activated, return to the Reports section to view your active reports. Select the activated report to generate it. Follow any additional prompts to customize your report if necessary. Finally, download or save the report as per your requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.